Welcome to our comprehensive guide about entering the United States as a citizen under the Child Citizenship Act. This guide is for those who believe they acquired U.S. citizenship under the Child Citizenship Act and are planning to return to the United States after an extended absence. We will provide essential information and advice to help you on your journey. In this video, we will cover three main sections. First, we'll explore the intricacies of the Child Citizenship Act. Next, we'll dive into the challenges you might face and their solutions. Finally, we'll wrap up with some key takeaways to ensure you are fully prepared. The Child Citizenship Act automatically grants citizenship to children who meet certain requirements. These include being under 18 years old, having a green card, living with a U.S. citizen parent, and having a parent who is a U.S. citizen by birth or naturalization. If you meet these criteria, congratulations, you likely became a U.S. citizen automatically. Now let's test your understanding of the eligibility criteria under the Child Citizenship Act. What is one of the criteria to automatically become a U.S. citizen under the Child Citizenship Act? Is it 1. You are over 18 years old, 2. You had a green card before turning 18, or 3. Your parent is not a U.S. citizen? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is that you needed to have a green card before turning 18. This is one of the critical conditions, among others, to automatically become a U.S. citizen under the Child Citizenship Act. Documenting your citizenship could be complex and challenging, especially if you lack key documents like your parents' original naturalization certificate. It's crucial to gather all the necessary documentation, including your birth certificate, copies of your parents' passport and naturalization certificate, your green card, and proof of your legal and physical custody with your U.S. citizen parent. Obtaining a U.S. passport is highly recommended as it serves as the strongest form of proof. If you're missing essential documents, consider obtaining certified copies or replacing a lost naturalization certificate using Form N-565. These steps are pivotal in making your entry into the U.S. smoother. Seek legal advice by consulting with an experienced immigration lawyer before you make any travel plans. They can assess your case and guide you through the entire documentation process to ensure you have the best course of action. Avoid entering the U.S. without a passport, as it can be very risky and may lead to detention or removal proceedings. If you don't have all the documents needed, contact the U.S. Embassy in your country for guidance and be prepared to provide extensive documentation. Remember the importance of adequate preparation to avoid issues at the border. Here are some key takeaways from this guide. Always prioritize obtaining a U.S. passport as your proof of citizenship. Gather all available documentation to solidify your claim. Consult with an immigration lawyer to receive personalized advice. Be cautious of potential risks when entering the U.S. without the right documents. Consider applying for a passport, obtaining certified copies, or replacing the naturalization certificate where necessary. To sum up, first, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria under the Child Citizenship Act. Gather all necessary documents that support your claim. Always consider seeking legal advice if you're uncertain. If eligible, apply for and obtain a U.S. passport, as it greatly simplifies entry. Understand the associated risks if attempting to enter the U.S. without a passport. This strategy can improve your travel experience significantly. Thank you so much for joining our guide on entering the United States as a citizen under the Child Citizenship Act. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you.